Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to customize your WordPress header for mobile devices step by step. If your website looks great on desktop but a little messy on phones or tablets, this video is for you. By the end, your mobile header will look clean, balanced, and fully optimized for any screen size. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to WordPress.com. At the top right corner, click Login. From here, you can sign in using your Google account. It's quick, secure, and super convenient. Just click Continue with Google and select the account connected to your WordPress site. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. In the Quick Links section, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open the site editor where you can start customizing the design and layout of your website. Now, before making any changes, let's switch to mobile view so we can see exactly how your site looks on smaller screens. Look at the top right corner of your editor. You'll notice an icon that looks like a laptop. Click it, and from the drop-down options, select mobile. The preview will instantly switch to show your website as it appears on a phone. Perfect. Now, click directly on the header area. This activates the editing panel for your header, where you can modify things like spacing, layout, and elements. One of the most important adjustments for mobile is padding. Padding controls the internal spacing around your logo, menu, and all other header content. If your header feels cramped or too spaced out, tweaking the padding will fix that instantly. Try reducing the padding to make it look tighter and more balanced, or increase it slightly if your elements look too close together. Take your time to preview your changes in mobile mode. The goal is to make your header easy to read, visually appealing, and functional on small screens. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save to publish your changes. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully customized your WordPress header for mobile devices. Your site now looks professional, loads cleanly on any device, and offers a much smoother browsing experience for your visitors. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on future WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.